Stop trying to save the world before you save yourself. Everybody tells you give and you'll receive, but nobody tells you that if you keep giving while your own life is unstable, you can wind up broke, burned out, and wondering who the hell is coming to save you. I used to be deeply involved in giving back. I spoke to youth groups, I took kids camping, fishing, I worked with churches and organizations serving at risk young people. I wrote books. I tried to motivate young men and help them see more for themselves. And I do not regret caring, but I had to learn something the hard way. You cannot save the world before you save yourself. Because encouragement is valuable, but encouragement does not automatically pay your rent. Being available does not automatically build your saving. And being a good person does not automatically create peace, privacy, housing, or a stable future for your child. For years, I was giving time, energy, knowledge, and my whole heart away, but I did not have the infrastructure underneath my own life. No clear paid offer, no system, no membership, no course, no paid workshop, no way to turn what I knew into something sustainable. And the truth is, I ended up having to pull back and build my own foundation. For me, detailing became that foundation, a real skill, a real service with real clients, real money, something that I could control, improve, price, and build into a business. It doesn't mean that I stopped caring about people. It means I stopped confusing being useful with being secure. There's a big difference between being generous and self abandonment. You can give value publicly, you can inspire people, you can speak, you can create, mentor, make music, you can share what you've learned, but your deeper time, your systems, your access, your energy, they need structure. It can be a paid workshop, a private community, a subscription, a coaching program, a course, a service business, a product, something that lets you help people without destroying yourself in the process. And understand this, you cannot force somebody to change. You cannot save somebody who does not want to do their own work. You can offer a message, you can offer tools, you can be an example, but they still have to choose discipline. They still have to choose growth. They still have to choose their own life. So this message is simple. Build your foundation first. Get your housing right. Get your money right. Get your health right. Get your skills right. Build something you own. Then give from overflow, not from desperation or guilt or the need to prove that you're a good person. Because when your foundation is strong, your help goes much further. Your voice gets much louder. Your impact becomes sustainable. And nobody gets to own your generosity. So, in closing, a community. If this hits you, comment foundation. What are you building for yourself before you pour into everybody else? Option two, brand. Follow the rapping detailer if you are building wealth, skill, discipline, and a life you actually own. Option three, coaching waitlist. If you want practical conversations about building discipline, income, presence, and structure, follow me and stay tuned for the private community. Hey fam, I'm Taj, the rapping detailer. And remember that being prepared eliminates fear and being aware makes everything clear. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'm out of here. Peace.